guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I got the time to record myself, and I have something new for you. You can see a surprising thing. There is no hair on his head. He got bald today because his hair was shedding because of his dandruff, and he got lots of dandruff right nowadays. That is why his hair was falling a lot. So he decided to get bald because he loves his hair so much. He loves his hair so much, and he is afraid of losing hair because my father, he has also, his hair is shedded all the way. So that is why he's scared of when he start hair fall, it start hair falling, his hair first starts, he got scared. That is why he get bald, so that his hair gets saved. And I have also treated his head with a neem leaves. I just grind the neem leaves and paste it all over his head, and I'm also putting that mixture on my face because I have already told you that I am suffering from lots of acne is coming on my face right nowadays. But I have applied it 4 or 5 times in 2 days, and my all pimples get suppressed. So I'm happy about this. And the taste of neem leaves is so bitter, I can't even tell you. When I was when I was cooking chapatis, I got lots of sweat on my face and everywhere because of the hot, and it is very hot. And AC in my house is running all the day, all 24 hours I can say, but I cannot say 24 hours we sit in that room, but at least for 15 to 16 hours AC gets on, and we keep on living in that room. We are spending our whole day and whole night in that room because of that 2 little kids. They feel so hot, and whenever we get them out from that room, my room, they got so many sweats on their body, and their clothes get wet. So that is why we need to keep it on. And I know electricity bill is going to hit high this time, and their time of going is coming, means within 2 or 3 days they will go back to their house. So my sister, elder sister, she will go back to her in-laws house. So this is all about the things which has happened, and let me tell you, this is 36th day of recording myself, and from morning I was so busy that I can't even tell you how much busy I was today. And today I woke up at 6:30 am in the morning, and first of all, when I wake up, I just cooked, I packed or cooked also a lunch for my father so that he can move on his duty. So he went, and when he goes, my Kuhu started saying me, "Posse, give me some food to eat." And she don't like lady finger, but I made fried lady fingers. She don't like that. She don't eat lady fingers. So she told me to make omelette for her, so I made that. and after some time I made tea and I did some yogas. From 2 days I was not doing yoga, but today I done that. But in between that, when I was doing, my little one, my little daughter, she was just rolling my yoga mat, and she saying, Possy, I don't want you to do this right now. Please play with me. She is not letting anybody do anything. She is so cute. I can't even tell you. She is so cute, and she speaks so politely that you can't say and no to her for anything. And today I give her a slap because she was doing some not good things. She was just behaving like a stubborn child, and I don't like stubborn child. The child who is stubborn is very bad. If you all have kids, please don't make them stubborn. Don't fulfill whatever they says. Although I don't have something, but don't have experience for this, but please try to not make them stubborn. Don't fulfill all the things which they say. They will become stubborn then, and everyone where they will go, they will get irritated because of that, and they both are so stubborn. They're where yes. Why do you want haldi? For adding haldi. Okay, I'm coming. So this is all about what I was doing, and let me pause. So this is what has happened. I just gave him a turmeric powder which my mother bought, because when we bought turmeric powder directly from the meals, and the meals where from where we get powders, they also mix some they grind everything, chilies and everything in the same machine. So sometimes the chilies powder and turmeric powder also feel some spices in it. It seems spicy, so so my mother bought a packet of haldi turmeric powder for him, so that he can mix it in milk and can drink the water, because turmeric milk is very good for the health. So this is all about the things which, this is why he was asking me for turmeric powder. I'm just keep on saying whatever things I just need to tell, but other than this, I'm not doing anything, any practices. I'm not doing shadowing, I'm not reading, I'm not doing anything. I just keep on recording myself, and other than that, I just try to speak in my house in English. So because I don't want that, I just want to become confident while speaking in English. So if I'm not going to speak, that is not going to work for me. So I just keep on saying things. I try to talk to everybody in English, especially with two of them, because whatever I just try to keep short phrases. I call Guttu that I say, Guttu, say good morning. She say good morning. She exactly try to copy me. What I say, try to say, she just copy me exactly. If I'm going to say good morning, she will say good morning. And now my mother is calling me, and the time is already completed. I'm going. Bye bye.